Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and good luck to everyone. A very warm welcome to online classes of Punjab Public High School. That's why I'm Miss Fiza here with an activity. So kids, our today's lecture is about pre-writing activity. And this activity is based upon pre-writing skills. And the most important thing, I will tell you that how can we hold the pencil for making our finger muscles stronger. So kids, with the help of these activity, you can learn to improve your writing skills before alphabet writing. प्री-राइटिंग एक्टिविटी में आपको मैं आज लाइंस के अकॉर्डिंगली पेंसिल मूव करना सिखाऊंगी. सो यू कैन सी हियर these patterns of lines, like this is a straight line, or we can call it a sleeping line. This is wavy, and this one is zigzag, and this one is spiral. So you can see here in different colors the patterns of lines. So basically what we have to do is we have to practice the lines, and you can also consult your notes from worksheet number 1 to worksheet number 6. So in your notes, first 6 worksheets are about these pre-writing strokes for the beginners. So kids, be ready, and I'm going to show you this first line, which is straight line. You can see or consider this line like this, straight line, and if I change the direction, you can see like this. This is sleeping line. We can call this sleeping line or a straight one also. So you have to hold your pencil like this, and this will improve your grip and make your finger muscles stronger. So try to hold your pencil like this, and I'm going to practice this pattern from here, from left to right, and I will practice the other lines also from left to right. So basically what you have to do is you have to try that your pencil must be in this direction from left to right. So आपने अपनी पेंसिल को इस तरीके से ग्रिप में लेना है, और उसके बाद आपने इन पैटर्न्स को फॉलो करते हुए जो आपको आपके नोट्स में नज़र आएंगे, अपनी पेंसिल को आपने लेफ़्ट टू राइट मूव करना है. मैं इन कलर पैटर्न्स पर इन डॉट्स की हेल्प से ट्रेस आउट करूँगी. सो we will start from here. So like this, you have to join these so this was our straight line. You dragged your pencil from here to right side, and the next one is wavy line. But before that, I'm going to show you our worksheet number 1. On this worksheet, you can see here the straight lines like this. Draw a straight line to help bunny to get the carrot. So you have to start from here This will help the bunny to catch the carrot. And the next one is again a straight line. And here you can see a kitten. And I will trace this line to help the kitten. So on your worksheet number 1, you can see the straight lines which are also sleeping lines. So you have to practice straight lines on worksheet number 1, and after this on worksheet number 2 you can see here the straight lines in this direction. Like I told you, if we trace it like this, so draw straight lines to help the children catch the fruits. So we will start from this fruit, and after tracing it, this will be completed like this. So this is another straight line. आपने स्लीपिंग एंड स्ट्रेट लाइन दोनों को ट्रेस करना है अपने वर्कशीट नंबर 2 में, लेकिन ध्यान रहे you have to focus that from where will you hold your pencil, and just draw one more straight line. Now our next line is wavy lines. So you can see here in this wave we will trace this line, and this line can also be considered like this, like a snake. So these are wavy lines, and we will trace this dotted line like this. So this will be our practice for wavy lines. Now kids, our next line is spiral lines. You can see here, this is the pattern for spiral lines. So you just need to trace these lines to make loops like this. Let your pencil move in the dotted direction. आपने अपनी पेंसिल को इस तरीके से फोर्सफुली पकड़ना है और डॉटेड लाइन को इस तरीके से ट्रेस करना है. So this will be helpful for your strong finger muscles. So kids, this is our worksheet number 4, in which we can see spiral lines here, and also another pattern for wavy lines like this. And you can also call these lines curved lines. Now kids, our next line is zigzag lines. Zigzag lines, you can see the direction of dots, that how does it look like. The spiral lines, we saw straight lines or wavy lines, and now it's turn for zigzag lines. And on your worksheet number 5 and 6, you can see the patterns for zigzag lines, and we're going to trace it here. Start from here and this, and this, and this, and this, repeating the same direction. We will complete the pattern. So now you can see it is a kite here. सबसे पहले आपने इस पोर्शन में zigzag lines के पैटर्न्स कंप्लीट करने हैं, and after that you will complete this portion. And 2 more patterns are here for zigzag lines. Again on worksheet number 6, you can also see the pre-writing pattern again, which will help you out for betterment. So kids, these were the worksheets from your notes, in which you can see the pre-writing strokes and which are necessary for beginners. So, and after that you can see here the patterns which I showed you with each kind of lines. This one is straight, and I'm going to repeat and try to focus that how does lines look like and what is their shape and direction. Straight line or sleeping line, wavy line, this one is zigzag, and this one is spiral line. So I told you today 4 kinds of lines which you will practice here in your notes, and you can also draw these patterns for more practice on your rough notebooks. So this will help you out for improvement. So today's lecture is just all about lines. So kids, don't forget to practice and recognize the formations for these lines. Now it's time to say goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.